Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can add resources to your spaces on Workona. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your space here on Workona. Let me go with this space here with these tabs. And guys, as you probably know, you can save not only tabs open in your browser. In a space on Workona, you can also add resources to that space. For example, if you're working on a project within that space with a co-editor or contact of yours, and you don't only need these tabs open or open websites here in your browser, but also additional resources like, I don't know, documents on Google Docs or Google Sheets, uploaded files from Google Drive, and you can add these to your space so that they, excuse my poor English here, may be available for your project participants. So to do that, navigate your space, click into resources, and create your first resource by selecting one of these options here. For example, create a Google Docs or Sheets or Slides, or you can add a shared resource. So let me go with Google Docs, and after that let me go with Google Slides. Click into that option here. And after that, you'll be redirected to your associated Google Drive account. So what you want to do is simply locate the given file in that folder. For example, you can narrow down your search inside your Google Drive, for example. And that's basically it. Below you can assign a space, the resource section, and that's it. You can also create a completely new Google slide, as you can see, by clicking into that button, give it a name here at the top, and that Google slide will then be saved as well, or in Google Drive, as well as here in your Workona space. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.